Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to operate a FurReal Friends toy. This particular one is a cat, and her name is Daisy, and it's manufactured by Hasbro in 2012. And it's fairly simple to operate once you know what to do. First of all, if you just pick this up at a garage sale or whatever, just know that they use 4 AA batteries, which only thing you need is a Phillips head screwdriver like this. And she takes 2 AA batteries on the bottom left and then 2 on the bottom right. There are 3 modes, and the on and off switch is right here on her left or her right foot. There's the try me mode, which is on the very far right. The center is the off mode, and then the one on the very left, if I push it this way, is the on mode. Basically, the try me mode is kind of like an off button, but you can interact with her during the day, like touch her paw, and then she'll go into snooze mode automatically. But if you're not using her, it's best to keep it on off. And she has 3 different ways to interact with her. First, she has a light sensor here on her forehead. If you just move your hand or anywhere close, then she should respond. She has a button right here on her lower back, and you can feel it to the touch. And then she has a button here on her right paw, right here, and you can feel it. All right, so if I squeeze her paw once, she'll interact, and she can do one of 3 things. She can pounce like that, she could jump, or she could just meow. All right. If I do it twice, so it sounds like she barked there, and so she's pouncing. All right, and then on the very back, there's of course a button you hit. All right, if I hit this twice, so if you hit her back twice, that's called cuddle mode. So 1, 2. If you want to silence her, just hold the button down on the back for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And she should go into sleep mode. And she won't respond until you hit her paw again. So let's go ahead and hit her paw. About after 45 seconds, if not touching her, she'll go into sleep mode automatic. But again, I would highly recommend you just turn her off when you're not using it so it won't drain the batteries. So I'm going to put her on off. And as far as to take care of her, you don't want her to get wet. You don't want to put water on her or in any kind of way, even detergent or something. So I just highly recommend just use like a very, very lightly damp washcloth if you have any stains on there. And then you can get like a little brush. But other than that, that's a pretty cool toy. I can see these going up in value highly, especially as people in around 2012 when they were kids and they owned them, especially if they operate. That's going to be the main thing. So, you know, 20 years from now, adults in their 20s, or even when they get in their 30s, they're going to want this, especially if they work. Anybody would. They're so cool. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.